Back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a vlog. So my cousin, she's behind the camera. Check out her channel. You're going to find it in my subscriptions.
Yeah.
And I'm going to leave it in this.
Hello.
What about mine?
Yeah, and also check out his channel.
Oh, yeah.
Adrian Smash.
Yeah!
I'm going to put that in the description too.
Whoa!
And also, my brother doesn't have a channel anymore. And his old channel, he does not have any videos on that. And that's going to be our new channel, which I call Puppet Master. And so what we're going to be doing on that channel,
And
before we get the video started, we're going to be doing on that channel is doing puppet shows, like all this different stuff.
Okay, and what are we going to be doing today?
Making different types of slime. Just like this. I made
Maybe
this
one slime. I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe.
me too!
Yeah.
And watch this, watch this.
Watch this. But
Ew, look at that.
And look, let's see if the camera likes it. Oh.
The first thing that you're going to be needing is a container for your slime. Here it is. Right there. Some Elmer's glue. Some borax. Some water and a utensil. I added in my borax already, so here is how it looks. Nice and melted, a little bit warm water, and you're going to add in your glue into your container. Here's my glue, and now you're going to want to add in your borax. Add a good amount, don't add too much, and then you're going to mix it. Look how neat that is going. So I'm going to mix my slime. There it is. It's not ready yet. You need to add probably in some more borax. And then we could go on mixing. Look how cool that looks. I love this one. This one looks really nice and neat. Look at that. Okay, and then you can start kneading with your hand, or you could just keep on mixing, okay? Okay.
Follow Logan.
This is the final product. And Anthony is right here. Where are you, Anthony?
I'm right here. And stop making the videos like it's on your channel.
Yeah, but you're not even here. Well, and this is the final product. And since he said I am making his videos, here we go. And you do an ASMR. Do an ASMR. Woman, just do.
Okay, so this is the first time I'm ever going to do an ASMR.
So don't judge.
Okay.
This is a poking at ASMR. I'm sorry. This is just sad. No, I'm just kidding. No. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I did an ASMR.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did an ASMR. I did an ASMR.
Okay.
I'll be doing a giveaway, giving away this poop slime. Oh my god, it stained the box.
Oh.
No. Show the... Okay, so now we're going to end the video right here. And also, the way that you'll be entered in the giveaway is you subscribe for this slime. Enter in the giveaway. What you have to do is you have to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to her channel.
Which is...
Ines Rocks, which I'll put in the description down below. And also you have to subscribe to my other brother's channel. You have to subscribe to this guy's channel. Show the camera.
Right there.
He's doing behind the scenes. So.
Yeah.
and now I'm also doing the lighting.
And then you have to put your, then what you have to do is you have to comment down below saying I subscribe. And then you'll be entered in the giveaway. I'll be giving away this much of it. And then this one, I don't know if we'll be giving away. Are we going to give away?
I don't know. We're not going to do a giveaway because... So, false alarm, guys. We are not going to be doing...
The giveaway.
Yeah, because it is too hard and...
Wait, don't tell them. They have to watch my video to figure out.
Yeah, and we're not going to be ready for that. So, Yeah, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.
No, wait. Before we end the video.
And
Still
his.
subscribe to them.
Yeah.
And me.
Yeah. And then, what else do you have to say before we close it?
Remember to be a Hardy fan. Peace.
Yep. Peace.